Hello, teacher and companions. Infographics, Machu Picchu. Which of the new 7 wonders of the world do you think is the most famous? One of the 7 wonders of the world that a most surprised me is in the Machu Picchu, Peru. This ancient city would be if the Incas street and place of history. How big is it? The Inca archaeology site is located right between the tops of both mountains, and what could visit it, the famous Inca ruins, researchers, Peruvian and foreign tourists every day at the maximum capacity of entrance for the cars, the mountain, and two Scotch people. What is the people of it? In social, in culture, in the of humanity, in the political, in religious, of the administration, recognized in the time. Declared culture as the natural of humanity and UNESCO, being considered an important religious, political and administrative center of the Inca period. Machu Picchu was interconnected with the inter-Inca imperium of the now Carcanoff region of Inca roads. It must architecture comprisors. What are you doing to? Games on fraud Machu Picchu. I enjoy a grand excursion for this amazing wonder of the winds, a very interesting place that allows like accompaniment of the guides in the immersing the fears to the big historical construction and the mill of Greece mountains, and also like architecture of shade other something, and display is that the priest to visit as parties Machu Picchu, since they are a bit expensive as well as the food and looking for is because fair and offers of tranquil and feel and good, which natural finality in cold discoveries, place and serious world, adventure, harmony, and history. I love you very much, Grange and Bellish. Thank you.